through the Indian Ocean to Sumatra, 7th largest island in the world. One of the most interesting sights of the Minangkabau country, the plateau highland along the west coast, is the Sunday market at Payakumbuh. Here, once a week, the natives from the surrounding territory come to spread out their wares and barter. And as is the custom in the Indies, women do most of the trading. Some of the women wear $10 and $20 American gold coins around their necks. The very latest in hairdressing. A hat that will be even more useful when it rains. The wealthier upper-class women wear conventional Minangkabau dress. Around their necks are more elaborate ornaments of gold. The well-dressed modern young men wear trousers of colorful batik. Nearby at Fort de Kock, native curio merchants bring their wares to the hotels and display them on the lawn. It may be hard to decide just what to buy, but it is almost certain something will be purchased before leaving. A splendid motor highway traverses Sumatra. Near the center of the island stands a simple column, marking the spot where the road crosses the equator. Bamboo fixtures serve the motorist at a roadside water station. Bamboo is used by the natives for many purposes. Large stems are converted into handy buckets. At Palupu is a pool of holy fish. These fish, which are sacred to the Muslims, are never eaten, but visited and fed entirely by native pilgrims and curious visitors. Close by is another well-filled pool. Water buffalo, the common draft animals of Sumatra, take their daily mud bath, not as a beauty treatment, but as a cooling relaxation from their heavy labor in the hot sun. The pace of these patient animals is slow, but steady and sure. A Batak village with its quaint houses is one of the unusual sights which a traveler sees in Sumatra. The Minangkabau structures, with strangely gabled roofs, are perhaps the most picturesque. Even the grain houses are pleasing in appearance. Freshly harvested grain cannot be stored, but must be spread on mats in the sun until thoroughly dry. The quaintness and beauty of the native scenes, etched against dark backgrounds of impenetrable forest, linger long in our memory as pleasant reminders of Sumatra, a tropical garden spot.